Morning, guys. This is Mega Farm. So, why do we label all these drugs that you see with markers? Just in case you have a skilled workers in the farm, as a manager that I am, so an emergency can occur at any time and you are not around. So just label it like that, have it on your own phone. So now that you know the case that is on file, you can easily say, okay, go to D7, you just use me and inject the pig. Understand? So because your workers may not be able to know the name of the drug, if it's okay, give tetracycline or multivitamin A complex and anything. So with this, they can easily know the drugs to administer when there's emergency.